Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, May 4th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we're on the daily time frame to start with. So on the daily time frame, we are definitely in a downtrend. I mean, this is lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. We cannot deny that we're not in a downtrend. Anything we see to the upside could possibly just be a pullback within the downtrend. Now, we are finding a little bit of support at the 61% Fibonacci extension. Now, if the dollar index really does turn up, which if you've seen my dollar analysis, you know that I think that it could, then this also would end up turning up. But there's no real proof of that happening yet. This definitely could just be a small pullback within a downtrend. We're not really trying to pick, bottoms on the daily time frames or tops on the daily time frames. We're just going to trade with the trend until we see proof that the trend is over. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, we definitely do have a break of structure on the 1 hour, but does that tell us that this is a trend reversal? I mean, it definitely could be a trend reversal, but it also could just end up being a pullback to these last five waves down, which is why we got our Fibonacci retracement from here to here. If it's just a pullback to these last five waves down, then it potentially will make one, two, three waves to a fib level and then turn back down at either 38, 50, maybe 61%. If it really is a trend reversal, it still might bounce from some fib levels, but it will not break at a Fibonacci level. It will continue to make higher highs, higher lows. So, we definitely, in my opinion, I would definitely be looking for shorts still. But if you are trading the super short time phase, until we get a break to the downside at a fib level, maybe you could be looking for some longs. I definitely am not a short time frame trader, so I'm looking for either more shorts or I'm waiting for the dollar index to prove that it's going up, and if that happens, I will start looking for longs on the dollar Canadian. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.